Students, today we are going to the reading of unit number 8, Sound. Sound is produced by vibration. Every sound that we hear is caused by something shaking. Shaking movements are called vibration. Due to this vibration, like here, due to this vibration, we can hear sounds. In our daily life, we hear different sounds. Some are pleasant sounds and some are unpleasant sounds. Now we will start from sound. Page number 68. We hear many sounds all around us. The chirping of birds, the cracking of a door, the beating of a drum, all things which make a sound have one thing in common. They shake. We have already tell you that every sound that we hear is caused by something shaking, and shaking movements are called vibration. Every sound that we hear is caused by something shaking. Things which produce sound make the air shake back and forth very fast. These shaking movements are called vibration. When the vibrating air makes our eardrums vibrate, we hear sounds. Musical instrument produce sound. Now, how sound is produced? A sound vibration makes tiny particles of the air bumps into each other. When this happens, the particles are first pressed together and then they separate apart or expand again. Each particle passes its energy to the particle next to it. In this way, vibrations are passed from molecule to molecule. We call this movement a sound wave. Like a gong, when we hit it, the sound wave is produced. Loud and soft sound. Different kinds of vibrations make different kinds of sounds. If you strike a gong hard, you hear a louder sound than if you strike it gently. This is because you make the gong vibrate more when you strike it hard. As the vibration becomes smaller, the sound becomes softer. इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि जब आप बहुत ज़ोर से मारेंगे तो साउंड ऑब्वियसली आप ऊंची आवाज़ में सुनेंगे, और जब आप आहिस्ता से जो है इसे हिट करेंगे तो आपको उसकी जो आवाज़ है वो सॉफ्ट ही सुनाई देगी, ज़्यादा वो चीखने वाली नहीं होगी. नाउ पेज नंबर 69. How sound travels. Sound travel at different speeds through different materials. Sound cannot travel through space because there is no air. This is why we cannot hear the sound of the explosions that take place on the sun. Sound travels better through solids and liquids than through gases. Sound wave can travel through doors and walls. You can hear the ticking of a clock if you hold it between your teeth. You can also hear sounds in the water when you are swimming underwater. It's a small practical for you. If sounds are being made in a room, The vibrations in the air make the walls and doors vibrate. Like this. If you hold an empty glass against the wall or door nearest to the source of the sound and press your ear against the bottom of the glass, the sound will be much clearer. Like this, you can see it in this picture. If you take an empty glass, the sound will be much clear. Kinds of sounds. We have already tell you about the sound of different kinds of sounds. If we like a sound, we call it musical. Sounds which we find unpleasant are called noise. Musical sounds and noise are made by a number of different vibrations reaching our ears at the same time. Guitar strings vibrating. Okay, students, I hope you are understand. Thank you.